Welcome back to our channel. Are you looking to capture professional quality photos without breaking the bank? Whether you're a beginner, enthusiast, or looking for the best overall value, we've got you covered. In today's video, we're breaking down the top 5 best budget DSLR cameras of 2024. From beginner-friendly models to premium picks, these cameras will help you elevate your photography game. Stick around to find the perfect match for your needs. And of course, don't forget to check out the links in the description below for the best deals on these amazing cameras. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Canon EOS Rebel SL3. If you're just starting out in photography, this is the perfect beginner DSLR. It's compact, lightweight, and user-friendly, but don't let its small size fool you. Equipped with a 24.1 MP sensor, 4K video recording, and a dual-pixel autofocus, the Rebel SL3 offers impressive image quality for the price. Plus, the guided user interface helps new photographers get familiar with settings, making it a fantastic entry-level camera. The Canon EOS Rebel SL3 digital SLR camera is your gateway to capturing stunning, high-quality images and videos with ease. Featuring a versatile EFS 18 to 55mm lens kit, this camera is perfect for beginners and enthusiasts alike. The dual-pixel CMOS AF ensures fast and accurate focusing, whether you're shooting stills or recording in crystal-clear 4K video. The 3.0-inch vari-angle touchscreen lets you shoot from any angle, giving you the flexibility to get creative with your compositions. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can easily share your photos and videos on the go, while the optical viewfinder provides a clear, real-time view of your subject. Plus, you can even turn this camera into a high-quality webcam for live streaming or video calls, making it an all-in-one tool for both photography and online content creation. Durable and lightweight, the bayonet mounting type ensures secure lens attachment, while its intuitive controls make it perfect for users of all skill levels. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or everyday moments, the Canon EOS Rebel SL3 offers a seamless, high-performance photography experience. For anyone ready to take their first steps into the world of photography, the Canon EOS Rebel SL3 has everything you need at a budget-friendly price. At number 4, we have the Nikon D5600, the best option for enthusiasts who are looking to push their creativity further. With a 24.2 MP sensor and an impressive 39-point autofocus system, this camera excels in delivering sharp, vibrant images in various lighting conditions. Its 3.2-inch vari-angle touchscreen makes composing shots a breeze, and SnapBridge technology ensures easy photo transfers to your smartphone. The Nikon D5600 DX format digital SLR is designed to take your photography to the next level with its impressive features and exceptional image quality. Paired with the AFP DX Nikkor 18 to 55mm f divided by 3.5 minus 5.6 GVR lens, this camera delivers sharp, vibrant photos and smooth video, making it ideal for both everyday snapshots and more creative photography. With SnapBridge Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and NFC, you can instantly share your images and videos with your smartphone or tablet, making it easy to stay connected and showcase your work. The D5600 offers a broad ISO range of 100 to 25,600, allowing for stunning low-light performance, while its 5 frames per second FPS continuous shooting captures fast-moving action with precision. Shoot full HD 1080p videos at 60 frames per second, ensuring smooth and professional-looking footage. The 3.2-inch 1.037mm vari-angle touchscreen provides a responsive and intuitive interface, letting you shoot from virtually any angle while easily navigating settings and playback. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or a beginner looking for a reliable, feature-packed DSLR, the Nikon D5600 offers the versatility, performance, and connectivity you need for stunning photography and video creation. If you're an enthusiast wanting more control and creativity in your photography, the Nikon D5600 offers fantastic value with advanced features. Coming in at number 3 is the Canon EOS Rebel T7, crowned as the best value DSLR of 2024. With its affordable price tag and solid 24.1 MP sensor, this camera offers excellent image quality at a fraction of the cost of higher-end models. It's perfect for photographers looking for something reliable yet budget-friendly, whether you're shooting portraits, landscapes, or casual snaps. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera with an 18 to 55mm lens is an excellent choice for budding photographers who want high-quality performance at an affordable price. Featuring a 24.1MP CMOS, APS-C, sensor and the powerful Digic 4 Plus image processor, this camera captures crisp, detailed images with vibrant colors, even in low-light conditions. Its ISO range of 100-6400, expandable to 12800, allows for flexible shooting in various environments. With built-in Wi-Fi and NFC technology, sharing your photos and videos with friends or posting them online is a breeze. The 9-point autofocus system and AI Servo AF ensure sharp, well-focused images, while the optical viewfinder provides approximately 95% coverage, giving you a clear view of your subject. For content creators, the EOS Utility Webcam Beta software, for both Mac and Windows, transforms your Rebel T7 into a high-quality webcam, perfect for live streaming or video conferencing. Compatible with a wide range of Canon EF and EFS lenses, this camera offers the flexibility to grow with your photography skills, making it a versatile and reliable option for any photographer. For those seeking the best bang for their buck without sacrificing image quality, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 is the way to go. In the second spot, we have the Canon EOS Rebel T8i, the best premium DSLR in this price range. The T8i is designed for photographers who want professional-level results while staying within budget. With its 24.1MP sensor, 4K video recording, advanced autofocus, and Digic 8 processor, the Rebel T8i offers top-notch performance for both photography and videography. The Canon EOS Rebel T8i DSLR camera with 18 to 55mm lens bundle is a versatile and powerful kit designed to elevate both your photography and videography. This bundle includes two lenses, the Canon EFS 18 to 55mm f/4-5.6 ISSTM for everyday shooting, and the Canon EF 75 to 300mm f/4-5.63 for stunning telephoto captures, giving you a comprehensive setup to cover a wide range of scenarios. With its 24.1MP APS-C CMOS sensor and Digic 8 image processor, the Rebel T8i ensures high-quality, detailed images with minimal noise, even in challenging lighting. Its native ISO range of 100 to 25,600, expandable to 51,200, offers flexibility for both low-light and bright conditions. The T8i also boasts 7 frames per second continuous shooting, perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects, and supports UHD 4K 24p video recording with vertical video support, making it ideal for content creators. The 3.0-inch 1.04mm vari-angle touchscreen makes it easy to compose shots from any angle and navigate the camera's functions with ease. Additional features include built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for seamless sharing and compatibility with the EOS Utility Webcam Beta software, turning the T8i into a high-quality webcam. Whether you're creating content for social media or capturing stunning stills, the Rebel T8i is a premium DSLR with features usually found on more expensive models. And finally, the Nikon D3500 takes the top spot as the best overall budget DSLR of 2024. Known for its ease of use, stunning image quality, and incredible battery life, the D3500 is the ultimate choice for anyone wanting to get serious about photography. The 24.2MP sensor delivers sharp, vibrant photos, and its intuitive controls make it perfect for beginners and advanced users alike. The Nikon D3500 with AFP-DX Nikkor 18 to 55mm f/3.5-5.6 GVR lens is the perfect DSLR for beginners who want the ease of a point-and-shoot with the power of a professional camera. Its compact and comfortable design makes it ideal for travel, events, and everyday shooting. The D3500 features a large image sensor that is 15 times bigger than those in most smartphones, allowing for sharper, clearer, and more detailed images. With Nikon's SnapBridge app, you can easily share your photos with a compatible smartphone or tablet, ensuring your memories are instantly available. The camera also captures stunning 1080p Full HD videos with binaural sound at the touch of a button, making it great for both photos and video content. Equipped with Bluetooth version 4.1, the Nikon D3500 offers seamless wireless connectivity for sharing on the go. If you're looking for a camera that combines simplicity, portability, and quality, the Nikon D3500 is a fantastic choice for capturing life's special moments. Whether you're capturing family moments, nature, or traveling the world, the Nikon D3500 proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to get professional-level photos. Hands down, it's the best budget DSLR you can buy in 2024. There you have it, our top 5 picks for the best budget DSLR cameras in 2024. Whether you're just starting your photography journey or looking to upgrade without breaking the bank, these cameras offer amazing value for every level. Make sure to check out the links in the description to grab your favorite DSLR at the best price. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech and photography gear reviews. See you in the next video.